Is there life outside a cleaning business? If I were to quit today, what will I do? Would everything just crumble? Was it all just a waste of time? Hello, it's Chanique here, the Cleaning Authority boss. For you new and start your cleaning business and enjoy your dream life. If you want to learn sales, productivity, marketing, subscribe to my channel. I'm on the road to 10K subscribers. So if you subscribe, it will mean a lot. People will find the value in this video just like you. If you're an entrepreneur and had any business, you will relate with me. You want to quit every so often, if not every day, because having a business, managing people can be difficult and can be daunting on your mind, but it's the most rewarding thing once you overcome these hurdles. I think to myself, what would happen if I quit my cleaning business? I built this brand on the cleaning industry. A part of me would be sad, but a part would be okay. The trend is starting my life over at 30, 40, or whatever. My life will just be starting my life over after quitting my cleaning business. If you watched my last video, I talked about the skills you learn building a business: marketing, productivity, selling, communication, team building, customer client retention, and relationship. All those skills are transferable that I could implement in anything. And if you also watch my last video, you'll know that my long-term goal is to build up a YouTube community and channel, helping other people just have a better life, a better self-concept, and just enjoy their journey while building up their business. I did niche down in cleaning. I'm expanding to talk to more people in general, especially women of color that may feel held down and bogged down in their journey when it comes to pursuing greatness and abundance, and may have self-doubt issues or just trauma within themselves, something I had to build within myself, seeking therapy, coaches. If I ever think of quitting, I would do exactly what I'm doing now: continue to show up on YouTube, helping you guys pursue your business. I may not be specifically talking about cleaning business, but definitely talking about the transferable skills that will help in any area of life. I'm completely invested in marketing, so being able to reach an audience that you're typically targeting, whether it is for your cleaning business, your digital business, online business, or dog walking business, I'm here to help. But more importantly, I'm committed to the person you become and growing your mindset so you become first successful within and showing it without. Throughout this journey, my first naive and immature thought was making millions, having tons of luxury. Although I still love those things, I have come to the maturity understanding that if you don't have the proper mindset, if you don't love yourself, if you don't have the right concept, if you don't see yourself worthy of achieving that abundance, and that is so important to me to be more transparent about that than seeking the number value in having a business. If I were to quit my business, would I sell it? If I were to quit, would I sell? My business is not generating a monthly revenue that would be most attractive to buyers, and to look for people to take over my clients is possibly something I won't do. However, what I would do is pass on the jobs to my current subcontractors. Feel free to take on the jobs. Now, am I quitting my cleaning business? Right now, I'm not quitting my cleaning business because I'm more hands-off and I'm really managing it. It's actually an amazing side business. It does produce part-time income that helps supplement certain areas that my content creating doesn't. Having the multiple stream of income, it's an amazing opportunity. I'm learning so much skills, meeting new people, as well as the income that does generate. It is super helpful. I'm not quitting my cleaning business, but if that was something that I do consider, I would continue YouTube and continue to support you in your journey. If you want to support me, subscribe and check me out on Instagram and TikTok as well. All right, I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.